I thought that today for your craft we would make a bird feeder. There are a couple of really simple ones. The first one I thought we would do is with a toilet paper roll or an old paper towel roll, whatever you have on hand, some peanut butter and birdseed, and a little bit of yarn or string or whatever you have. So you can have your kiddo take some peanut butter. Just a little bit will be fine. And then spread it right on the toilet paper roll. As much or as little as you want. This is really just to make it so that it sticks. The birdseed will stick to the roll. Okay. Oh, I probably pulled it right out of camera there. Spread it around a little bit, and then you take your toilet paper roll with the peanut butter and you spread it, roll it right in the birdseed. And you can keep going until it's as full as you like. There we go. That looks pretty good to me. And then you can take your string, and I'm going to kind of drop it right down through the toilet paper roll. And then I'll tie a little knot up here. And then, just like that, you've got a bird feeder. And you can hang it outside your window and watch the birds come up and sit and peck at some of the bird seed. So that's one option if you've got bird seed and peanut butter at home. If not, another option is to have a pipe cleaner, or you could do a string just like we did with the other one too. This just gives it a little bit more structure. And then you can just thread some Cheerios on. And you can do as many or as little as you want. And then when you have all of them that you want, you can bend your pipe cleaner into a shape. You can make it a little heart even and twist the ends together. And then same idea, you can take that out and hang it in a tree and watch the birds come and eat a little bit. All right, so those are two simple ones. If you're interested in more, you could always do one with a milk jug or a juice jug. There are lots of tutorials online, and maybe we could do another one another time. All right, thanks for watching.